Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling voice typing so Google Docs can capture your words. Open Docs in Chrome. Once the document is ready, choose Tools, then Voice Typing. Make sure you select the correct language and the right microphone input. This reduces misrecognition. Grant the browser or app permission to use your microphone. Without that, doc stays silent. If you're on mobile, tap the microphone on the keyboard instead. Once done, position your mic and speak clearly to begin the next step. Now refine how Docs interprets what you say by optimizing audio and speech patterns. Use a headset or dedicated microphone for consistent volume. This improves accuracy. Speak punctuation phrases, comma, period, new line, so the text formats correctly, and pause slightly between complex clauses. Close noisy apps and move into a quieter room to limit interference. Make sure your input language matches your accent setting in Docs. This helps when regional pronunciations differ. Once you're comfortable, dictate a short paragraph and scan for recognition errors. To complete your dictation, stop the voice tool and proofread. Fix mistakes with quick keyboard edits or continue using voice commands for corrections. Export or share the document when it's clean. If words repeatedly mishear, test the microphone in your system settings and retry with a different input device. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Unstable networks can drop audio processing. If problems persist, reload the page or restart the browser, and then re-enable voice typing. That often clears transient bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.